Got a little bit different video for you guys today. We're going to be starting up and doing a walk around of my dad's 1986 John Deere 310C 4x4 backhoe. Start with a little walk around. The left rear tire, fairly new. I have no idea how old the front tires are, but they're still in great shape. Right rear tire's not too bad. He really doesn't use this too much anymore, so it's actually at the house here. We used it to help get a tree out of the ground to transport down to the other house. Open up this panel here. Got your engine oil dipstick, your oil filter, as well as your oil fill right there. I've already checked the oil. It's all good. It's a 4-cylinder, I believe it's a Perkins diesel that makes 65 horsepower. Put this panel back in place here. All of the pins and bushings are actually in pretty good shape. Doesn't leak too much hydraulic oil. This is just a snapper rear engine rider that it's a complete piece of garbage. It's been sitting for a long time and it's just been sitting in the bucket here. Gonna get rid of it when we have a chance to. And again, around the rear, not really too much hydraulic oil leak. Again, this machine really isn't used that much anymore. It's got a mechanical thumb, which is really useful for picking up rocks, which what my dad does with his landscaping business. He's more of design and install rather than maintenance. We're gonna hop up inside now, give you a little tour of the cab, then we're gonna fire her up. Hasn't been started in who knows how long. Might require some cranking to get it going. You've got your parking brake, your gear shift. You've got a differential lock right there. Independent left and rear brakes. Your throttle. Control for the bucket. Got a hand throttle. In the back here you got your boom controls, as well as your controls for the outriggers right there. And you've got your forward, neutral, and reverse right here. Get your signal lights. So we're gonna fire it up. It's got 12,983 hours on it. That's pretty quick to start. Really doesn't smoke at all. Plenty of life left in her. Got a toolbox mounted here in case you ever need to change any of the teeth on the bucket. And you've also got a clutch disconnect on top of the boom or bucket control. And now, so say if you are going into a pile and you want to roll backwards, just push that button there and you can roll backwards. Horn works. front and rear wipers. It does have heat. Keep a grease gun in the machine at all times. This gets greased every 10 hours. That's about it, guys. So thanks for watching.